Hi guys, so you see this, we call this one here makopa. This is fruits guys, fruits, and I want to get some. This is free, this is for free, so if you want to eat you just get like that and then you can eat. I want to go up here, wanna try. Yeah. Wow. Uy, see, oh, it's very nice. Hindi naman siguro ako malaglag dito. I see that. Teka lang, baka mahulog ako. Yeah. Uy, ang ganda, nakakatuwa. Let's eat. Ang laki. I want to get something. There's a lot here. So big. Yummy. We call it makopa. Ano ba, mahulog ako? Lang. There's a lot guys, oh. You see that? See that? A lot of fruits. And I'm here. Here lang. But I can't go there because the branches are so small. Baka ma-fall down ako. Very fresh and free. Ito lang. Want to come here? Yeah. I want to get more before I go down. Okay, slowly. Ito ang laki, oh. Wait lang. Ang hirap naman. Wait lang. Takot ako, ah. Yes. Oh. I love it. Ari ko. Okay, enough na. Mag-go down na ako. I want to go down na kasi. Bye! Ari ko. Slowly but surely. Yeah. Yeah. Sige na, I'm going home na. I'm going home. See that? It's very delicious. It's like you're eating apple.